Online Therapeutic Recreation Activities. Hosted by Imagine Certified Therapeutic Recreation Specialists.
Welcome to week 4 of our online videos. Today we will be diving into our creative side in honor of Earth Day that was celebrated on April 22nd. Today's agenda is going to include 2 different activities. The first activity is going to be an outdoor activity where you'll get to go on a nature walk and on a scavenger hunt all at the same time. The second activity is going to be a craft that's called Why I Love Earth. Before we start with our activities, I wanted to give you guys a few facts about Earth Day. This year, Earth Day is celebrating its 50th anniversary. Earth Day was founded by Gaylord Nelson because he wanted to focus on the environment after he witnessed a massive oil spill in Santa Barbara in 1969. The first Earth Day was celebrated a year later on April 22nd, 1970. It was originally only celebrated in the U.S., but in 1990, Earth Day became recognized worldwide. Around 1 billion people take part in Earth Day activities around the world every year. Simple things that you can do on Earth Day, and that includes every day, are reduce, reuse, recycle, volunteer for community cleanups, conserve water, plant a tree, and so many more things. What exactly does Earth Day mean to us? It means to remember the environment in our busy lives. Remember the little things that can help our environment. Some of these can include turning off the lights in your house when you're not using them, recycle cans and glassware, and my favorite, turn the water off when you're brushing your teeth. Earth Day is a great way to help our environment. Remember, you can do these things every day to help our planet Earth. For our first activity, we'll be going outside and doing our nature scavenger hunt. Go ahead and take the printout if you have it with you, or if you don't want to carry that along on your walk, go ahead and just take a picture with your phone, a parent's phone, your instructor's phone, or if you want to just take a mental note of it. On your walk, these are the objects that we will be looking for. Bird's nest, grass, the sun, an anthill, a butterfly, a bird, a tree and a flower, someone's garden, and a cloud. Again, try and find as many objects on the list as you can. For our next activity, we will be doing a craft called Why I Love Earth. The supplies that you need will be 1 paper plate, 2 blank sheets of paper, coloring tinsels, which could be markers, crayons, pens, paint, whatever you prefer. You will definitely need the colors blue, green, and red, a glue stick or tape, and scissors. The first step of this activity is to take your paper plate, draw your continents on the paper plate, and then color them green. If you don't have a paper plate, that's totally fine. Just use one of those blank sheets of paper. Go ahead and draw a big circle on that paper and then use that as your earth. The second step is after you draw your continents, color the rest of the plate or your circle in blue to represent the bodies of water on Earth. Once you've done that, step 3 is take your second sheet of paper and draw a small heart on that piece of paper. I colored mine in red, but you can choose whatever color you prefer. Once you've colored that in, go ahead and cut it out. The fourth step is glue or tape your heart onto the middle of your earth. The fifth step is on the outer edge of your paper plate, write down 4 or 5 things that you love about Earth, places that you want to visit, or things that you do to help Earth. For example, I listed 4 things on my paper plate. 1, I recycle. 2, I pick up trash when I see any. 3, I love Earth because it's nature's playground. And lastly, a place I want to visit is Patagonia in South America. Once you've completed your paper plate craft, go ahead and share it with either the instructor you're with, your parents or providers, or if you want to share with us on Zoom later today, that would be awesome. Thanks for joining.